Welcome to 4113 Armstrong Farm Drive in the heart of Belmont, North Carolina. A stunning modern home built in 2022 that perfectly blends comfort, style, and energy efficiency. The gourmet kitchen shines with quartz countertops, slate cabinets, a large island, and stainless steel appliances. Truly the heart of this home. Spacious open concept floor plan featuring a bright living area, luxury flooring, and a cozy gas fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find a roomy loft and a versatile flex space, ideal for a home office, playroom, or media area. Retreat to your primary suite, complete with a spa-style bathroom and walk-in closet, your own private escape. This home also features upstairs laundry, a 2-car garage, and energy-efficient HVAC systems. You'll love the peaceful community and easy access to Belmont's shops, dining, and parks. Experience comfort, convenience, and charm all in one. Schedule your tour today with Tech Realty Rentals, where modern living meets hometown comfort. Thank you for watching.